Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on activity 7 in Excel. This is actually after activity 6. I think it is somewhere in the page number, if I am not wrong, it's somewhere in the page number. Just a minute, let me have a look where it is. Actually, it is in page number 25 and 26. If you can see in your original worksheet, it is in workbook which I gave you. It is in 25 and 26. So today whatever I am going to discuss is from page number 25 and 26 for your reference. Okay, this is good for you to know which page I am teaching. Now already I gave you activity 6 as a homework. Now you are going to do activity 7, which is now the new lesson which you are going to learn. So you can see that it has two learning outcomes. If you can see that there are two learning outcomes. Number one, you are going to learn how to use conditional formatting in Excel. Number two, you are going to apply the idea of sorting and filtering in Excel. So these are the two things that you are going to learn in this course, in this particular activity. Now you can see there are instructions given to you. You can see the instructions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and then there are instructions given like 10. So in total actually there are 13 instructions that is going to be followed. First three are very simple. You know it. Open the sheet, save the file and type the sheet. Type the data in the sheet. So now I open Excel. You know Excel is open. Very simple. You know how to open it. Already you have seen so many number of times. So now after that I want to save the file as activity 9. File, save as. I want to save in this PC. Then you will have a dialog box coming like this. I want to save in desktop. I want to give the name for the file as Excel activity 7. This is Excel activity number 7. I save the file now. Now it is ready. So now you can see here I go to the questions now. So you know you have opened the sheet, you have saved the file. It's not activity 9, it should be activity 7. Okay. Now type the following data. There's a data here. Can you see here? The data is here. So as I already told you, I don't want to waste a lot of time in typing the data. So what I am going to do is that I am going to copy the data from the Word file which I have. So copy. After I copy, I go to Excel sheet and then I just click here any one cell. Then I am going to paste. So I am just putting like this. If I put like this, keep source formatting. All the lines will come as it is. If I just put like this, it will be only copying the cells without any formatting. So now for the time being, let me choose like this so that it is easy for me to finish my work quickly, because as I told you, this is an online class. I don't want to spend a lot of time in actually putting typing my information and waste your time. So now you can see here I have done this part also, which is this part. Type the following data. I did this also now, typing the data. Normally in a normal sense you will type the data. Now since we are actually going to use for it for online class, I am using what? I am using a copy and paste method. Now you can see here I am going to talk about conditional formatting. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 questions are going to discuss about one thing which is called conditional formatting. First of all, I would like to show you where is conditional formatting. Can you see here? It is in the home ribbon. You can see here conditional formatting. Okay, now let's look at the question first. Now let us look at the question number 1. Question number 1 was grades greater than 90 in business 101. I want to highlight those cells which are greater than 90 in business 101. So what I do is that very simple. I go to the cell here. Now what I do, I just choose business 101. I choose business 101 and then I go to conditional formatting. I want to highlight the cells which are greater than 90. The value is what? Greater than 90. And how I want to highlight it? I want it with red border or red color. Okay, like I can also use custom format for my own color. If I want to have my own color filling, for example, I want to fill it with green color, you can choose that color and give OK and give OK. See, only one student got more than 90 and he is highlighted with a green color. So now you can see here, I have answered this question. Grades greater than 90 in business 101. Now I want to highlight those students who have got grade less than 60 in business 102. How to do that one? It is also very simple. You can go to the cell business 102, highlight it, and then what you have to do is that you have to go for conditional formatting, highlight and less than, and what is the mark you have given in the question? In the question it is given as what? Less than 60. So you will choose what? Less than 60. And how I want? You can choose anything from here, or you can choose any color you like to see for this one. So I choose this color, sky blue, like this. I give OK. Two students got less than 60 in business 102. Now let us go to the third question. I hope it's clear until now for you. Now, so this question is also clear for you now. Now let me answer the next question. The next question is what? Grades between 80 and 90 in business 103. Okay, grades between 80 and 90 in 103. So I go to the cell, grades 80 to 90. So I select all the cells in 103. I go to the conditional formatting. I go to highlight rules. I give what? Between, then I give what? 80 and 90. If you look at the question, 80 and 90. 80 and 90 in business 103. So I give 80 and I give 90 and I choose the format of the cell. I choose custom format. I choose maybe yellow color. I give OK. Then I give OK. See now, these 5 students have got mark between 80 to 90 in business 103. It has been highlighted. Now let us go to the next question. Duplicate values in the table, and then the last one is text contains Fatima. Let us do both of this one. Okay, text containing Fatima and duplicate values in the table. So you can see here, I go to the activity. Wherever there is duplicate, I will select the cell. Now what I do is that I will try to go to the conditional formatting, highlight, and you see here, duplicate values. Okay, wherever there is a duplicate, I want to use another color, like for example custom format, and then I want to use a gray color like this. Okay, gray color. I give OK. I give OK. That means what? These numbers appear somewhere else. For example, 78, another 78 is here, another 78 is here. So the same number is repeated in different places. Okay, that's called actually duplicate. I hope it's clear for you until now. So I undo now. You can see like this originally, because I don't want to put all the cells as highlighted for you to get confused. Is that clear? Now let's go to the next one. Text that contains Fatma. Text that contains Fatma. So how to do it? It is also very simple. Text that contains Fatma. So you can see here. Now I select the whole table. For example, I go to the conditional formatting, highlight rules. Okay, text that contains. Can you see here? Text that contains. And you can type here, for example, Fatma. And just give OK. See, this is the only row where Fatma, the name Fatma is appearing. So it is shown for you. So this completes question number 1. Now let us continue our recording with the second video after some time. Assalamu alaikum.